Are you ready to ditch the trading roller coaster? Let's face it, trading can feel like a wild roller coaster ride sometimes. One minute you're soaring high, the next you're plummeting towards disaster. But what if I told you there was a way to smooth out those bumps and spot high probability trading opportunities? Buckle up, because today we're uncovering a strategy that's your ticket to calmer trading waters. We won't bombard you with complicated jargon. This strategy is all about simplicity and power. We'll be using TradingView, your one-stop shop for all things charts, and focusing on the gold on a 5-minute time frame. But the beauty is, you can adapt this strategy to other markets and timeframes too. Now, get ready to meet your trusty trading sidekick, the Ichimoku Oscillator. Don't worry, it won't wear a cape, but it will be your guiding light for buy and sell signals. Think of it as a secret decoder ring for the market. So now I'm going to tell you about a secret indicator, which is currently available for free on Trading, but it is possible that the creator may hide it, or remove it. Before that, you should use it and save it. Introducing a groundbreaking support and resistance indicator designed to revolutionize your trading experience on TradingView. The indicator offers a large variety of features. First, select up to 3 timeframes. Second, select the strength of supports and resistances. Third, select between zones and lines. Fourth, break and retest alerts. And many more. Want to take your trading to the next level? Check out Flux Charts premium indicators in the description below. They offer powerful tools and a supportive community for traders of all levels, all at an affordable price. Start your risk-free trial today. We'll get this Ichimoku Oscillator all set up and fine-tuned, then unleash its power on the gold chart. And guess what? We'll even take it for a spin on Bitcoin to show its versatility. Alright, so you saw the Ichimoku Oscillator work its magic, right? But remember, trading isn't a one-trick pony. We need another tool in our belt. That's where our second indicator, the MA ribbon R2 comes in. Now, we gotta fine-tune this MA ribbon R2. Like a high-performance race car. But don't worry, it's not rocket science. Basically, this fancy ribbon helps us understand the market's mood. Is it feeling upbeat, green ribbon and price above it? Maybe it's a bit meh, price stuck inside the ribbon? Or is it feeling a bit down in the dumps, red ribbon and price below it? The MA ribbon R2 decodes that market chatter for us. Alright, so you've got your trusty Ichimoku Oscillator and the super cool MA ribbon R2 in your trading arsenal. Now, let's learn how to use them to enter and exit trades like a champion. First things first, we want to buy low and sell high, but without going all in like we're at the casino. Let's say you want to buy, long trade. We'll wait for the Ichimoku Oscillator to give us a buy signal, basically its way of saying, hey, the market might be heading up. But hold on a second. We don't want to jump the gun. We need to see if the price agrees with the Ichimoku. So, we'll wait for the price candle to close above the MA ribbon R2. Think of it as a double confirmation that the market is indeed going up. Once both these conditions are met, that's your green light to buy. But remember, responsible trading involves having a safety net. That's where your stop loss comes in. It helps limit your potential losses if the market takes a nosedive. You can use the most recent swing low or the MA ribbon R2 as your guide for this. Exiting a trade is just as important. We recommend aiming for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Basically, for every bit of risk you take, you aim to earn 1.5 times more in return. Now, selling, short trade, follows the same logic, just flipped upside down. We wait for a sell signal from the Ichimoku and confirmation from the price closing below the MA ribbon R2. Stop loss and risk reward work the same way too. Remember, this strategy is a tool, not a magic trick. The market can be unpredictable, so always do your own research and trade responsibly. If you want to become a trading master, don't miss out on our next video. It's packed with even more tips and strategies. Until then, happy trading.